Hello and welcome back. I'm thrilled you've joined us today on Dr. Stephen Grant's channel, where we dive into real solutions for men over 50 who want to stay strong, confident, and vital. If you've ever felt frustrated because your mind is ready for intimacy, but your body isn't following along like it used to, you're not alone. Many men face this challenge, but here's the truth. Your body is not failing you. Often, all it needs is the right support. And sometimes that support comes from something as simple as the vitamins you take each day. In this video, I'm going to reveal 3 specific vitamins that have a direct impact on blood flow, erection strength, and overall energy. More importantly, I'll guide you on how to take them properly so your body can actually benefit from them. Stick around until the end, because I want you to leave with a practical plan you can start implementing today. Let's start with the first vitamin, vitamin D. I like to call it the sunshine vitamin because your body naturally produces it when your skin is exposed to sunlight. Many men assume that just a few minutes outside is enough, but as we age, our skin's ability to convert sunlight into vitamin D drops significantly. Couple that with the fact that most of us spend the majority of our time indoors, and vitamin D levels can decline without you even realizing it. Why is this so important? Vitamin D is critical for many aspects of men's health: circulation, hormone balance, immune function, and even mood. Low vitamin D can lead to stiffer, less responsive blood vessels, which makes it harder to maintain strong, reliable blood flow. Testosterone production may also dip, affecting both energy levels and erection quality. Many men struggling with firmness later in life are surprised to discover that a hidden vitamin D deficiency is part of the problem. Here's where it gets crucial. It's not just about taking vitamin D, it's about taking it in a form your body can actually use. Vitamin D is fat-soluble, which means it doesn't dissolve well in water. Taking it with just water or on an empty stomach is often ineffective. The smarter approach is to take it with a meal containing healthy fats. Think olive oil, avocados, nuts, or eggs. This ensures your body absorbs it fully and puts it to work where it counts most. When absorbed properly, vitamin D helps maintain flexible blood vessels, supports nitric oxide production for strong circulation, and stimulates healthy testosterone levels. It's not a stimulant or a quick fix. It's the foundation that allows your body to perform naturally, the way it was designed. Next up is vitamin B12, which I cannot emphasize enough for men over 50. Think of B12 as the spark plug for your body. It keeps your nerves firing properly and your blood vessels functioning efficiently. Without enough B12, your body struggles to deliver oxygen-rich blood to tissues, including the penis, a critical factor for firm, reliable erections. Low oxygen levels lead to sluggish circulation, fatigue, and weakened performance foundations. The surprising truth is that many men over 50 are deficient in B12 without realizing it. As we age, our stomach produces less acid, which is necessary to release B12 from food. If you eat less meat or animal products, or if you have digestive issues like reflux or gastritis, absorption becomes even harder. Even men with a balanced diet may still fall short. Low B12 can also manifest as fatigue, tingling in the hands or feet, memory problems, or general low energy. The best time to take B12 is in the morning. It provides a natural energy boost to start your day and primes your body for optimal circulation and performance. Now, instead of relying on traditional pills that must travel through your digestive system, consider a sublingual form, a small tablet that dissolves right under your tongue. This approach is far more effective because it bypasses the gut entirely and goes straight into your bloodstream. From there, it can immediately start supporting nerve health, red blood cell production, and proper circulation. This direct path makes a huge difference in how quickly and efficiently your body can use the vitamin. Next, let's move on to the third essential nutrient, vitamin C. Many men think of vitamin C purely for colds or immune support, but its benefits extend far beyond that. For men over 50, vitamin C is one of the most underrated allies for erection strength. Why? Because it plays a vital role in producing nitric oxide, the natural compound your body uses to relax and widen blood vessels. Without enough nitric oxide, blood flow is restricted, and achieving or maintaining firmness becomes nearly impossible. Vitamin C also serves as a potent antioxidant, shielding your blood vessels from damage caused by free radicals and the wear and tear of aging. Think of it as a protective barrier, keeping arteries and veins flexible and healthy so that blood can flow freely. When your blood vessels remain in good condition, erections become naturally stronger and more dependable. The most effective way to take vitamin C is in divided doses, usually morning and evening, because your body doesn't store large amounts. It uses what it needs and eliminates the rest. This steady intake is far more effective than a single large dose. Taking vitamin C with water or alongside fruits like berries, oranges, or kiwi can further enhance absorption. By providing your body with a consistent supply throughout the day, you help maintain nitric oxide levels, directly supporting circulation to the areas that matter most. In this way, vitamin C becomes far more than an immune booster. It becomes a cornerstone for maintaining strength, confidence, and reliable performance well into your 60s and beyond. When you combine these three vitamins, vitamin D for hormone balance and testosterone support, vitamin B12 for energy and optimal blood delivery, and vitamin C for nitric oxide production and vessel health, you create a foundation that naturally supports erections without relying on temporary fixes. These nutrients aren't instant miracles, but over time, they establish the conditions your body needs to perform the way it was designed. Here's the secret most men overlook: timing and consistency are key. Taking vitamin D occasionally won't make a noticeable difference. Using B12 sporadically won't restore your energy. Neglecting vitamin C for weeks at a time won't support nitric oxide production. To see real results, these vitamins must be taken daily, the right way, for several weeks. Think of it as investing in your long-term performance. The payoff may not appear immediately, but when it does, it will feel natural, reliable, and strong. Of course, vitamins are most effective when paired with healthy habits. Staying hydrated, exercising regularly, and eating foods that promote circulation all amplify the benefits of these three nutrients. This isn't about taking a pill and expecting magic. It's about giving your body every tool it needs to succeed. So, if you're a man over 50 seeking firmer, more dependable erections, start today with these three vitamins. Take vitamin D with a meal that contains healthy fats. Take vitamin B12 sublingually in the morning, and take vitamin C in divided doses to maintain steady nitric oxide levels. Follow this plan consistently, and you may be amazed at the strength, vitality, and confidence that return. I'm Dr. Stephen Grant, and I want to thank you for joining me today. If this conversation resonated with you, make sure to subscribe for more practical, honest, and empowering advice on men's health, intimacy, and vitality after 50. Remember, your body is fully capable of strength and performance. Don't ever forget that.